about the Hori Hori tool. You heard Roxanne describe this one in our last presentation. Now, her right-hand person is Larry Nixdorf. He is here to talk to us about the Hori Hori PLUS. What is different about your tool is how it's designed.
Absolutely. We have
so
something
let's talk
new to
about
talk
it.
about. David, this is a lean, mean planting, digging, slicing machine. Because we've all used things like this. Do you remember 1989?
The spade.
No, the year.
Well, the year, yeah.
We're throwing
when that was popular.
We're throwing it back to 1989 because this is 2025. This is our Hori Hori knife. Now, Hori Hori has been around. It comes from Japan, centuries, David. This is the only Hori Hori knife that we know of where we added a double point tip. So
Hold
this
that
is very
still so we can
unusual.
see what we're talking about. Now, most of these knives have a single tip. This one has two. Why?
Two. Why? David, look at this. This is going to be your best friend, but your dandelion's worst nightmare because this is going to go down. And you know dandelions, if you don't get them down by the root, they're going to come back and back. So as you can see, this is going to go right into the roots and pull it right out, and they are not coming back. David, this is made out of 13 gauge stainless steel. So you know, Roxanne, it is made to last. It's 3 millimeters thick. We have a silicone handle, so it's nice and comfortable. So
and
you
a comfort grip, which is making it easy to hold on to.
Yep, and you know, if you are comfortable, you're gonna garden longer.
Right.
You can rinse it off. And then David, look at this. Roxanne put measurements on here, but look what she did. She made them extra large so she can garden without her glasses on. She can see the numbers so there's no guessing.
Sometimes I leave my readers on top of my head so that I can see if I'm reading small print, but I appreciate the larger print because that is going to be something I can read from here.
You know, I'm
now,
right there with you.
This also comes in colors, yes?
Yes, we have the 3 colors here. We have the orange, we have the green, and then that midnight blue, which I love.
And green is the most limited, and 1,000 ordered today. Price will expire end of day today unless one of your colors sells out first, whichever happens first. That's the whole idea of a today only price. Now, this is a brand new Hori Hori tool because this is the Hori Hori PLUS that has the 2 tips on the end.
Right.
So it's going to cut that much more easily and more thoroughly into the soil if you're potting, if you are doing whatever here in the springtime. Let's say you're taking plants out and it says to break up that soil a little bit.
Right.
Or to bury it completely.
Right. You know, hard soil, especially if you have soil that's been outside all winter, it's going to be very hard. And you're going to want to break it up over and over. But David, the bulbs that Roxanne just sold you, you have those measurements because they should go 4 inches down. So you just put your knife down, you turn it, and you plant it, and you have that measurement. So you are doing it at the right depth.
And what you're doing to that soil in breaking it up is you're aerating it. And maybe you're discovering that there are some weeds that have presented themselves over the winter because they found a nice warm place under the soil to grow and they cause you all kinds of problems.
Sure.
Or maybe you're needing to edge in between pavers or open a great big bag of potting mix or break down an old potted plant that needs a little help, needs a little air.
But David, this is but wait, there's more. I feel like I'm in the kitchen with David because this slices like magic. Say you wanted to break up and split plants. Look how that just slices right through.
Well, it's serrated on the side.
Serrated, and there's also a flat side for those weeds and stems and things like that. But this serrated side, look at this dense root.
So when you need a little teeth in the action.
You go right through it like butter.
Like butter. I mean,
But-
look at that. Oh my word.
But David,
unbelievable.
if you're a gardener, this is going to be your best friend. Look at this, a tough cantaloupe. This will slice right through the rind. Maybe you're doing beets and you pull them out of the ground, cuts off. Look how nice and clean that does. Cucumbers, you can even use the flat side for cucumbers and just slice right through them. Carrots, again, you pull them out, off. But David, if you have weeds, maybe you have pavers where the weeds are coming up, moss,
Sure.
don't get a screwdriver like Roxanne used to do. All you have to do is put this in, just push it right out, and those weeds will magically come out. If you have stones and you want to dig in the hard stones, it will go right down. And again, David, that really slim, long profile is going to be your best friend.
Really important if you're planting things like succulents or if you are planting in hard soil or you've got soil that hasn't been aerated all winter long. Now, as we mentioned, we have 3 colors with sheaths. Now, we have this in the blue, we have this in the green, and we have this in the orange. Now, what was that update, Brian? But in the green, only 750 remain.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
been our most popular today.
Green's very pretty.
Many of you are looking for something that is going to do the job for you each and every time. You wipe this blade off if you're going to be cutting some food items, obviously. If you are just dealing with potting or going to a larger vessel or aerating soil or cutting through weeds, this is quick and easy, yes?
Sure. And David, you know, at this wonderful one-day only price, if you are able to, I would suggest getting more than one, because if you have a partner who enjoys using this too, you're going to be, where's my Hori knife? Where's my Hori knife? And your partner's going to have it in the garage, they're going to have it in the kitchen drawer, because there are so many other
They're probably going
uses.
to have it in their hand using it.
So David, look at this. You know, let's talk about other uses other than gardening. You know, maybe you're getting your QVC box. You can open it quick and easily with this. And look at this, string, rope, twine, right through it. In fact, even cuts wire. All you have to do is pull it tight, straight through.
Wow.
If you get things like I do all the time in plastic that are very hard to open, this will go right in, slice it open for you. It's that easy.
Do you ever need to sharpen this?
No.
No?
No, just keep it nice and clean. And with that silicone handle, you can use your fireman's hose nozzle and wash it right off. And again, David, you know, this is, you know, a great tool for gardening, because even if, you know, you're harvesting,
Right.
look at that. It comes right off. And again,
Because later this year, you likely will be harvesting, yeah?
right, you can dig, you can scoop, you can weed, you can cut. It does everything.
We have 3 colors available for you. We have this in the blue, in the green, now only 600 remain, and we have it in the orange. Larry, always a pleasure, sir. Nice to have you back. I know. This is M131534. We'll keep you posted on this. Now, let's get busy with something that has been super popular today. Almost